On Saturday, July 7th, the annual Hot Rod and Classic Car Show was held between 6 p.m. and 8:30 p.m. at the Green River Catfish Festival. The contestants met at the Casco parking lot before cruising through the festival and to the ball fields. A wide variety of custom old and new cars were present along with trucks.
We jumped in the thing and we started to the lodge. The motor died out and it stood still. And then with Hattie Cole we did Phil. She did the hot rod boogie. And now it runs so fine. Well, it goes up the hill and the motor never even whines.
The winners are as follows. Best Corvette, Dwight Jenkins. Just Because It's Cool, Bud Belcher. Best Paint Job, John Cowan. Best of Butler County, Bobby Cowan. Best of Show, Chris Sanders. To read more on this and many other stories, please visit www.beechtreenews.com.